The Khasi Tourist Indica Owners and Drivers Association in East Khasi Hills, along with the Jaintia India Owners Association of Lad Rymbai and the Jaintia Hills, recently jointly decided to lower the cab fare from Rs 400 to Rs 300 for passengers commuting between Shillong and Lad Rymbai in the Jaintia Hills. This decision was prompted by the reduced income experienced by individuals following the NGT's ban on coal burning in Meghalaya.
Khasi Tourist Indica Owners and Drivers Association Shillong. Ngila yalong meeting minta kesni hani haranukren. Hujung dia berkebai kali. Terbalik ngipi yakren ni kebai kali namar ba ngila pej ba kamden jam show kamden katrika kata Henry ba wan Shillong hi ba Lad Rymbai hi udai udu kusuk udai kup sidiam subsidiam hi. Nata kadau ni penhir ya kebai kali ba ngisu sim na ka saus pa sekala spa. Kane kada ke jimbentik ya ki pai ba baro ki baju song kalirit ki baju song Indica ki swift kini ki 5 seater nata kadau ha den jeni ki arseng ila driver na gupta to ginu balai tam ginim sha ginu basim kabu ya nalor kane ki bagi la rai ginim sha mat ngin leiru kat kumba langka ai nata kadau ni kirpat ya ki passenger ki pai ki baju sim ki baju song kalibat ni bakin snow baha ban ya isha ban ya song biang kum baju song ho ni pan map ya ki par baladat bangi sui sim harus saus pa katal pilang song henry mental lagi la penhia sekelas pa tengah community bakalong ka ba ya mentoy ha ya pi